So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of charts right here. And now let's say what I want to do is filter out the graph information right here by using certain conditions. So in that case, what you can do is you can click on the graph that you want to filter, and you can click on add a filter right here. You can click on create a filter, and what you can do is you can choose to include or exclude out certain things. So let's say I want to exclude out things that in which the total price is going to be, let's say for example, in between. So I'm just going to say in between. So in between the value of 2000 to let's say let's say for example from 2000 to 600. So I'm going to write in other way around right here, 600 to 2000. I don't want any data right here with the price range between 600 to 2000. So once I do that and press save, now what happens is that the filter conditions will be applied, and you don't see the switch and 3ds here anymore because they lie in between that particular data range right here, as you can see. So this is what you have right here. So for this, you can see that this is what you have. You can also add in filter over here. And let me just go around onto totals filter, click on that, and you can see that the same parameter gets applied over there as well. And you can go around and click on add a filter right here, click on let's say total filter, and the same parameter gets applied over here as well, as you can see. And that is how you can utilize the graph filter option inside of Google Data Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.